if they say no, for example,
If they say no,
no andre no ashte. It may be anything, it may be anyone or anything. If they say no, we have to respect that and we should give that space to people. If they are not comfortable with something, if they are saying if you should not talk my personal things which I have shared to others, it should be with you only. For example, you might have a friend, you will be so close to them, you tell all your personal things to them, and end of the day if they think okay she has told, if they take lenience and tell that to others, what is the friendship, right? What is the boundary there? So that should not happen. If they say no, this personal space is given only for you, that means it's only for you, it's not for others. So it has to be understood from this age only for you. ಈಗಲಿಂದಾನೇ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You just understand the boundary. When you become close to someone, don't tell anything and everything to them at the initial stage. Understand them, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸ ಇರು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಯಾಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ದಾಟಿ they'll start sharing to everyone, which is very bad. So I want to teach you that there is boundary for everyone. When they say no, it should be no for you also, even they also. So you should be with the such kind of people. Okay.